Collision just started. We're at day one. It's been extremely busy. It's crazy to see the scope of companies that are here and to see what other people think about developing technology.
It's been a great experience so far. Lots of energy here, lots of very interesting different booths in terms of the health tech sector.
The vibe that I'm getting is excitement because there's a whole bunch of variety of companies here. There are big companies like Dell, like Cohere, and there are small startups that have little booths, and just seeing that sort of collaborative effort across all those scales of companies is really exciting.
The vibe is incredible. Everyone has so much energy. I was just talking with someone about how coming out of the hotel, you have these tags and people approach you and they want to know what you're doing. So everyone comes here for the same thing. Everyone knows that this is a place to network, and therefore it's super acceptable. You don't need to have an underlying agenda. You really just want to connect, learn more about what other people are doing. It's genuine curiosity. So this is fantastic.